Hey guys, in this video I will review Summary AI app. Alright, let's begin. Summary AI is an artificial intelligence tool designed to quickly summarize long articles, documents, and videos. The main feature is automatic text summarization, where you paste content, and the app produces a short, clear version within seconds. It also supports multiple formats including web pages, PDFs, and notes, which make it useful for students, researchers, and professionals. Another helpful feature is keyword extraction that highlights the most important ideas in the content. There are several advantages. It saves time, improves productivity, and helps users understand large amounts of information faster. The interface is simple and easy to use, even for beginners. Pricing usually includes a free version with basic features and paid plans that unlock more summaries, faster processing, and additional tools. So, that's basically all about Summary AI app. That's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.